Ke Salem Secondary School la nongkrem kala penlong ke annual sports meet mentaka sngi kalai poetry ulber arjar arpulai Hamadan SM Stadium Smith kabau MLA jong ke nongkrem ulalong ukongsan. Hakani ke jingle kai sports jong ki khna la don ki race but ki we dek jingle kai ki bala pen sngot tenat but pen kemen ki khna school wat apedeng ke jingwit no Islam. Kawai ni jingle kai ko pen kende ki khna school ki no hi kai but ki mi pa ka de ka match pass jong ki house ba pher bala pia na ka benca ka ni ka sports meet uba arden ku mukongsan ula shimru e ka sliu na ki khna ba ele match pass but samru e ki prize shaki nong jom.
Lalu ti tenang aja kompet nang ni tenang ah. Kompet deh tenang cuma stop ni lah. Yang kerkom yang lain tu ya.
The school managing committee for organizing this annual school sport, because we know that as students they need a break from months of their studies in order to revitalize and rejuvenate their minds and bodies. And in the national education policy, the government of India had emphasized the need to include sports and physical education in the curriculum of the school. Because as policy makers, they understand that our bodies need physical activities. Therefore, it is very important for the school management, for all the school management, to include sports activities as one of the curriculums in the school. We know that we cannot spend time only in reading, in studies. Our minds needs rest, our bodies needs physical activities so that it will refresh and give strength to our bodies. Especially in the present days, we understand that physical activity is very important to improve our health also. It will therefore necessary for the school students to discipline, to program their lives in such a way that they can manage their time for studies, for physical activities, and also for some other activities at home.